Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1387, and that is in continuation of the UNO goals, and the 14th goal is the life below water. If I say life below water, it has huge meaning because the UNO is interested to sustain and to protect the marine fish, animals, and microplants, that is phyto material in ocean. So that's why UNO has taken this step, and all the 198 countries are given UNO directive that you should target to sustain and protect the marine ecosystem, marine animals, and also proceed towards that is called blue economy. So first thing is that once we are talking of a marine ecosystem or to think of life below water, then we have to see the pollution. That how to keep that ocean and our marine system, ecosystem, free of pollution. So we have to see the recycling of plastics, because lot of plastic, detergent and toxic chemicals, they are poured into drainage system, they are not treated, and finally they are reaching to rivers, and river is connected to ocean. So finally all these pollutants, they are reaching to our ocean, marine water, and that's why all the marine animals are affected. So plastic recycling, and then other factor is nowadays lot of transportation of crude oil is there, and also drilling of crude oil near coastal area, and there is spill of the oil, and sometimes there is some leakage in the shipment of the crude oil in the sea, and that is also causing serious damage to marine life. So that spill of the crude oil has to be taken care. And then the third factor is that we have to see and monitor the healthy marine life and animals, because nowadays it has been increasingly realized globally that marine is other economy, just like digital economy, agri economy. Now there is a new economy and name of that new economy is blue economy. And even in Nigeria, the Ministry of Blue Economy is created to get maximum economic benefit from marine activity. So in that marine activity means we have to target lot of proteins to get from marine source, seafood, lot of shellfish is there, prawn and dolphin, whale, blue tuna. Today, the costliest fish is blue tuna. Only 10 to 15 kilogram of blue tuna cost 2 to 3 million US dollar. Very costly fish. And also some other crabs and lot of shell fishes, they are very costly. They are called fish food, is getting very popular worldwide because they are very rich source of. First thing is fish oil, and fish oil is very powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. They are rich source of iodine, and nowadays lot of marine pharmaceuticals are there, and in that marine pharmaceuticals they are using lot of fish oil, and also that seaweed, different type of seaweeds are there, and they are the main source of nowadays energy, food, medicine. So all these things, let me show you first one by one their images, and then I will pass on the information so that you are fully aware of the importance of the sea animals, and the life underwater has very important role in our life on land. The next lecture will be the life on land. So life on land and life in water, they are very much symbiotic. They are correlated. Their survival is very much correlated. So let me show you the images. This is marine animal, that is mammal, not fish group. And this mammal that is called whale is just like we can say mountain of the sea, so huge. And the eggs of this whale and the oil is widely used, is the very costly item, especially the eggs of the whale. This is dolphin. Dolphin, they are also mammal, and their brain is a little bit more developed. So that's why they are attracting point for children. If they go to the coastal side, and that is called ecotourism. So the children they attract because it will jump and show a lot of activities. That is called dolphin. It is marine animal. So these are all shellfish. They have shell cover, and crabs, variety of crabs are there, and then so many other structures are there with the covering of the shell, and they are very important sea food. This is marine, that is called starfish, jelly-like, and it is also very much used for medicinal purpose. Sea turtle. Actually, nowadays, just coastal area of sea, small sea tortoise are developed, produced, and that becomes the big attraction for children to play with them. But at the same time, these sea turtles, they are also used as a source of protein, and it's very rich source of omega-3 and some very, very important protein. This is called snorkeling, and very much deep in sea, you will get in a small size, and people will go inside, they will dive, and they will try to catch and see one by one. They are known as coral reefs, and they are also very important from medicinal point of view, and they are used for a variety of purposes, as a food, as a source of some medicinal compounds. These are our marine sponges, and these sponges, there are different type of marine sponges, and they have lot of medicinal properties, and also lot of pharmaceutical importance. So it is very much in use nowadays. Seaweeds. There are variety of seaweeds now, and nowadays billions of dollars pharmaceutical energy as a source of food is invested in seaweed cultivation and farming, and people are earning a lot, and that is the part of that is called blue economy. This is shoreline protection to protect the sea. This shoreline area is very rich source of lot of inorganic minerals, and it has lot of medicinal importance. So people, they will collect from this shoreline coastal area a lot of sand and some other materials, and they will extract the important medicinal compounds. They are mangroves. Mangroves means such type of plantation which are on the surface of the sea coastal area, and their hanging roots, some are the shoot, means vegetation and underground development. So underground is root in the sea water, and the plant is, that is up, and this whole plant, because they are in the coastal area of the water of sea or marine, they have lot of medicinal phytochemicals, and they are extracted and used for lot of natural products. This is phytoplankton, means microorganism, very small teeny plantation, and they are very important because they are capable of converting carbon dioxide and water combination into energy, and they are responsible of maintaining the climate and oxygen and reducing the carbon dioxide. So this phytoplankton, phyto means plant, they have very important role in your, for sea animals, for their survival, and also for keeping the balance of climate, maintaining carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. This is prawn, seafood, very popular globally. And if you go to Chinese restaurant, Lebanese or Indian, you will get sometimes roasted, sometimes fried, sometimes cooked with rice. Very delicious, and it is very rich source of omega-3, iodine, and some oil is very much useful for your skin, and also it is rich source of iodine. So let me discuss in the form of summary what I have written here. Number one, Nigeria can target SDG 14, means Sustainable Development Growth. Actually, UNO program, the goal, 17 goals, they have given 17 goals globally to all the members of United Nations, so that if they can meet this goal, 17 goal, sustainability and growth will be there. That is called sustainable development of the growth. And here Nigeria can target SDG 14 by focusing on the following key areas that I have given here, and the same thing what I have discussed, and also I am writing in the form of booklet, so that those who want the hard copy will be available very soon, because this is 14 number I have already done, and 3 are remaining, 15, 16 and 17. 15 is on animal on land. So let us discuss about the animal in water. Number one, preventing marine pollution. I have already discussed that we have to prevent plastic pollution, oil spill, and also some toxic chemicals which are going like detergent and so many other from chemical industries, leather industries, textile industries. They are finally through sewage, goes to river and then to ocean. So we have to take care of all these pollutants to go into seawater or marine. And number two, wastewater treatment. It is very important in all countries, including Nigeria, to have wastewater treatment wherever there are industries, whether it is like leather, textile, chemical, food, whatever water that is coming out of that industry must be treated. That is a waste. So waste treatment plant we have to install. So make sure that most of the toxic substances are drastically reduced, and after that if it is going to river and then sea, at least the pollution will be drastically minimized. Then number 3, protecting marine ecosystem, that is we have to protect marine ecosystem means there should be equilibrium. There should not be overfishing of all the animals. Like in China and Japan, they are mad after fish because their main dish is fish and rice. Of course, in Nigeria also we like to eat fish. In UK, the main dish is fish and fried potato. So fish is the best white protein, very rich source of omega-3, and at the same time very rich source of lot of sea elements like iodine. And that's why the fish, I will advise that at least twice or thrice in a week, if you get there is chance, you should add in your diet because it is very much medicinal. It can reduce the chance of heart attack, inflammation, and it will also reduce your oxidative stress. So overfishing should not be there. That's why in China and Japan, they like a lot two things. That is blue tuna fish, very costly in the world, and also whale eggs. They are very, very expensive. Then number 4, coastal conservation. Protect the coastal ecosystem in that area. You protect and by law so that any human activities, overactivities, overfishing and overcrowding should be avoided in that area to protect the coastal area. That is called coastal conservation. Number 5, sustainable aquaculture. If I say aquaculture means that is fisheries and fish. So we should do the fishing to have sustainable aquaculture, and this fish farming, fish industry is creating huge millions of jobs globally. So the fisheries and forestry both, they are very much beneficial. Number 6, marine animals as a source of blue economy. The new economy came. The name is blue economy, means the main source of marine animals. There are hundreds, I can even dozens, it is shown to you. There are hundreds of varieties of marine animals, and when I say marine animals, they are divided into categories. For example, first category is vertebrate and invertebrate. Some which are containing bone and some are boneless. Those which are containing bone, again, there are two types. One is cold-blooded, means the fish, which are having 3 chambers of heart. The other ones are mammals, which are having 4 chambers of heart, like whale, like dolphin. They are mammals. And blue tuna, others are fishes. So like that they are divided, and then jellyfish, sponge, so many other are there, and subgroup are as a phytoplankton, means they are microplants. So it's a huge capacity, huge potential in blue economy. That is, you can with the help of blue economy, you can have food security, lot of protein, which is the main building block of our body. In our food we have to add protein that we can obtain from seafood, very rich source of omega-3. Then livelihood, many millions will get the job and employment, money. And then ecotourism, I have already told you, in coastal area, lot of families, they will go and spend hours. The reason is that in coastal area, with that activities of marine animals, lot of oxygen, lot of ozone is generated. So that area is very rich and you will feel very, very happy and comfortable. So they will lie down on the sand and they will spend hours relaxed in sunshine that is called eco-tourism and recreation activities with marine animals. Many children, they will play with turtles and also dolphins, and dolphins are trained nowadays. They understand that what type of activities they are supposed to demonstrate to attract the tourists and children. So all these are marine and eco-marine tourism that can be developed. Then number 7, marine pharmaceuticals. Oh, huge area is coming now. Lot of skincare products, medicines and cosmetics are produced from seaweeds, and whale fat, omega-3 fatty acid, all are now extracted from sea animals. So the targeting UNO goal 14, that is animal in water. You have listened lot of things, and the same thing in the form of hard copy, printed material will be available. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.